Picture this. You step into a world where chocolate rivers flow, marshmallow hills tower, and giant candy canes stand guard at the gates. For 10 lucky contestants, this childhood fantasy just became their reality. That's right, Mr. Beast has actually built a real-life Willy Wonka chocolate factory. And he's declared, one of you gets to own it all. But this isn't just a contest. It's a wild sugar-fueled survival story packed with chaos, caramel, and crushed hopes. This is Beast Mode. The gates swing open. Contestants gasp in awe. The Candyland of their dreams stands before them, complete with a chocolate river, a waterfall, and even edible doors. Is that a chocolate door? Someone asks. They take a bite. It's real and delicious. But don't let the sweetness deceive you. Behind every sprinkle lies a challenge designed to test their endurance, strategy,